way back in the woods, way back where I shouldn't go, way back where the knotted pines fade away.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Simple Outdoors. I'm going kayak camping. I might camp overnight or I might camp 2 nights. But I gotta go around that point. It rained this morning, but it's just supposed to be a little windy and cloudy today with 15% chance of rain. Overnight supposed to be 50 Fahrenheit. Today's supposed to be 65 Fahrenheit. Tomorrow's gonna be like in the 80s. Beautiful sunshine. I got my fishing pole, some tackle, and a heavy load on my kayak. So I gotta push this into the water, probably get my feet wet, but I got extra socks. I could take my socks off and put my sandals on and just have cold feet all the way there. But I'm gonna try to get in without getting my feet wet. Wish me luck. So I'm going to look for a few other campsites that are on the map. I did camp at that spot a few times. That's one of my favorite spots, where you just walk. Someone's got a chair there, but walk over there and there's the site right there. But I want to go up around the peninsula. All right, I got everything packed. I gotta slide this into the water, so wish me luck. And I'll see you on the water or when I take a break from paddling, because my muscles are sore from doing a lot of work and at the house and doing this. So I'll see you out there. This is going to be great, guys and gals. It's beautiful even though it's cloudy. So let's go. Well, I kayaked around the peninsula, and I usually camp at number 11, their designated sites, site 11. So I wanted to take a look at 12, 13, 14, and 15. 12 looks the best out of all of them, and even that's not the greatest. 13 was just wooded and mossy and boggy and wet. 15 was even worse. And 14 looked okay, but it was a little swampy in there because it's all downhill, not level ground. And when it rains, where you put the tent, it just washes out. And it looks like it's cleaned out. A lot of people have used it because the boat launch is right across from it. So now we're going back to site 12, which is all the way around this peninsula and back down into the cove, which is quite far, and it's far away from site 11 that I camped at a few times. I saw some beautiful birds here. There's a dam right there, so you don't want to get too close. So we'll just follow the shoreline and back to campsite 12. Well, there it is, right there. Alright, this is the best one out of all of them that I looked at. I pulled the muscle in my shoulder and neck this morning, probably loading the car and with paddling. There's a little trash that I picked up earlier when I scouted this out earlier. A little outhouse box way back there. There's some firewood. Picked up some guy lines. They had a little fire here, which I don't know why. They got a fire pit there. So I'm gonna move those rocks later. Leave it better than the way you found it. So this is gonna be camp for the next 2 nights and 3 days. I got plenty of beverages. I mean, look at this thing. I always load it to the max. Mosquitoes are out, so I have to get everything unloaded, get the thermocells, and start setting up camp. Well, I got everything set up, the tent and the tarp, organized a little bit of gear. All I gotta do is organize and get my sleeping system and gear all organized in there, blow up the air mat, sleeping bag. I had a Starbucks vanilla coffee earlier. Maybe I'll do a coffee. This is the Ghost one, the America Pop. Probably have that one later. I want a coffee. Alright. The sun's coming out now again. Oh, I pulled a muscle in my shoulder and neck this morning. Had to have probably been lifting a 50-pound kayak up on top of the car or my bag. Cheers, everybody. Had a couple extra days off from work, so decided to I needed a break from adulting with house stuff and car stuff. We're getting back in shape there at the house. Been watching a loon out there. I have a little visitor now. He's camping with me. Cute little chipmunk. I tossed some cashews out there. He's got 2 little holes. He went in right there on the other side of the tarp. It took me forever to get this tarp up, as always. I got the nature hike cloud up too. Decided to bring that. It takes forever to set up. We're camping, baby. I saw one boat, motorboat, going by, probably fishing. And then around this peninsula by the boat launch, 4-wheelers over there somewhere. But alright, I'll see you in a little bit. Well, it's going to get dark in about a half hour. Some kayakers over there. I think they're just having fun howling and stuff. It's good seeing kids getting outdoors instead of being inside all day playing video games or whatever. Probably with parents. So that's always good to see. I like seeing that. But not much of a sunset. Fire's going good. So I am going to sit and have my Ghost Energy Zero Sugar America Pop and enjoy the kayakers. Maybe do a little fishing. I'm not cutting any more wood. I got some kindling and some small, medium, and that's all. If I run out of this, I'll use some of that with a little solo stove. I don't know what it's called, a little mini can stove, fire stove. These are my favorite now, even more favorite, even better than the coffee ones. Love these ones. A little dirty. Well, I am exhausted. It's gonna get dark in about a half hour or so. Got the whites ready. I rinsed my hands and my head off in the water. Nice and cool. Probably move my chair over here. The wind stopped, so I don't think it's gonna rain. And then I have plenty of food. I just don't know what I want for dinner later. I'm not hungry yet. Ooh, fish jumped out there, unless it's a loon. I've been non-stop today, so now I'm gonna really relax. Alrighty. Well, put some more wood on the fire, do a little fishing off the shore, and wait for dinner.
As I was walking beside the sun and I feel with the winds on my back, I took to fortune and fame at the game, and now I return and I'm back. I take to myself a while, leaving behind me a smile. Yes, I know, love is free. Love is free. Oh, what a day to be out in the haze and believe in the days that my home. Never your mind, I'll be doing just fine, and I'm never moaning alone.
I did fish. I did catch a nice smallmouth bass, like that big. I might try a little bit more, and then it'll be probably dinner time. I don't know if I want the burgers or the sausages. I do have ketchup. I have hot dog rolls. I got the grate. I could get a stick. I do have a little aluminum foil with me. Not much. So, fire's going pretty good. Yeah, for a few minutes decide what I want for dinner. Sausages or burgers. Got a Mountain House meal, but that's just for emergencies. Everything's still cold in there except for the slushies. Getting a little chilly. Might put my coat on. And I sit by the fire. It's long overdue. Well, I guess I'll bring you back for dinner time once I decide what I want. Alright. Time for a hamburger and 2 jalapeno cheddar sausages. Have you ever tried undoing the twist tie and you try doing it the wrong way and it just gets tighter, and then you do it the other way, saying, yeah, that's the way, and no, it still gets tighter, and then you do it again, it's like, nope, that's the wrong way, and then you keep doing it the other way and you finally get it. Wish I had cheese. I don't know if I'll be able to eat all this. 2 hot dog buns broken up. Oh yeah. It's late and I haven't eaten anything today. This is the first thing I've eaten. Yeah. Cheers, everybody. Let's try a little bit of the sausage. Oh, taste that jalapeno. Oh. I'm gonna finish these and probably relax by the fire. Well, I'm gonna have a chocolate glazed donut. It's beautiful out. Well, the fire is out and I am in bed. It's gonna be about 49 Fahrenheit tonight. Ugh. So sorry if the lens is fogging up and the LED flickering. I'm not in the sleeping bag because it's not that cold. Heard some owls, and that's about it. So I'm gonna get some shut-eye, and I'll see everybody in the morning. Can't wait for tomorrow. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be hot. So I might sleep in a little bit. Sleep in just a tad, because I haven't gotten much sleep. But we'll see if I can sleep in an extra hour or so. Alrighty. I'll see you all in the morning. I'll let you know if something happens during the night, but it usually doesn't, which is good. Alright, good night everybody. Good morning everybody. It's gonna be a warm day today. I got shorts and another shirt. My shoulder was still sore from whatever I did yesterday morning. Pulled a muscle loading the car or something, but the sun is out. It's time to get out there and make some coffee, so let's go and take a look on what it's like out there. I know what it's like out there. It's sunny and bright, and it's gonna get hot today. Let's go. Coffee time. Wow. Good morning, everybody. I might put my shorts on today. Making some coffee. A boat right there fishing. People down at the causeway fishing. Can't really pick it up on camera. Families are out down there fishing. I made the drip brew. Good morning everybody. Coffee is ready and probably semi-hot. It's not burning hot. That's good. Ah, that breeze feels nice. I'm in the shade over here. Sun's over there. It's gonna move over that way. Well, I got one more night here. and debating on what we should do. It's a little breezy out there. Could go for a paddle. Could collect a little firewood. I don't know if I'll have a big fire tonight. I could just gather some little sticks the size of my thumb and just use my little can stove fire pit. Be an easy day. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and decide on what to do today. Because usually this is about the time I start packing up to go home. That's tomorrow morning. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and enjoy the day, organize a little bit of gear, and relax. Well, I organized everything and collected a little firewood, having a little root beer. I think it might be time to put the shorts on, take the kayak out. Well, sorry if you're crooked. This camera mount for the kayak is a do-it-yourself makeshift one. I paddled over to the the wind's whistling on the fishing line. I went to campsite 8 and it's nice. I didn't know there was a parking spot up on the dirt road. It's barely noticeable, but there's a sign there. So I'll have to think about that, and we can do that probably next time. This bridge is coming up, so I'm going to turn you around and just enjoy some paddling.
As I was walking beside of the sun and I feel with the winds on my back, I took to fortune and fame at the game, and now I return and I'm back. I take to myself a while, leaving behind me a smile. Yes, I know, love is free. Love is free. Oh, what a day to be out in the haze and believe in the days that my home. Never your mind, I'll be doing just fine, and I'm never moaning alone. I'm making the best as I go, leaving my worries below. Yes, I know, love is free. Love is free. God, if you would make me smile, sir, and I'll be waiting here and there. Oh, yes, I know I didn't quite catch you from those years ago, but your age hasn't brought you to fade. Was it a moment, a memory in time? Can't let it be so alive. And then as we say goodbye, I say to myself, gotta cry. Yes, I know, love is free. Love is free. Love is free.
sore a little bit. I'm done paddling today. I might start a little fire. Cheers, everybody. Hope I'm in frame. Oh, this is great. Beautiful. The sun's setting behind the trees. I was fishing for over an hour with different colors. Nothing. So I just want to sit and relax by the fire. Maybe have a little dinner. Not quite hungry yet for some reason. Well, I did have some snacks earlier. That's probably why. Beautiful night. Oh yeah, a woodpecker has a home up there in a hole in the tree. He's been pecking away. Last night I had the beaver out here splashing. Saw a loon, a couple of Canada geese with a couple babies. Oh, heard some geese and a couple owls. And I'm gonna do the rest of the burgers and sausages. And they're squished. And I might just forget the rice and just do what I did last night. Same thing. Alrighty, same thing as last night. It really is. Because it was quick and easy. I had the last log on the fire, but I still have all the small stuff. About twigs about the size of my thumb. I can do the little mini stove. So, I'm going to get the ketchup and eat this. It's the same thing last night. I did have a little salt and pepper on the burger this time. I should have brought cheese. I don't know. I brought the burgers and I didn't bring any buns. You would have thought, right? There. Well, I'm going to eat this in peace. And I'll bring you all back a little later. Hey, I got my little wood-burning can stove here. You just gotta keep putting sticks in it constantly. That's alright. It's fun. Something to do. Just going on my phone a little bit. Root beer. Caught one little tiny smallmouth bass. Threw him back. The one last night was quite bigger. Threw him back. I might have a couple of snacks, you know, cashews, chocolate covered cashews, maybe some Slim Jims or crackers, honey bun. That's about it. I'm just gonna relax. I'll let you know if I have some snacks or whatever, but then I'll go into the tent. Sorry about if the LED's flickering and the camera lens is foggy. Condensation, I guess. That was a great day. Sat by the fire for a little bit, and the little can fire. I just went on my phone and just relaxed. Had a couple of snacks, that was it. Some owls I heard. Saw a couple fish down by the water there, by the shore. A couple feet of water. Tried fishing for a couple of minutes before I climbed into the tent. Nothing. So, I am going to get some shut-eye. So, we'll see what it looks like tomorrow to pack all this up to get out of here. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Oh, I slept great. Slept in a little bit, but it's okay. It was my little mini vacation. Just heard some owls last night and some peepers. Alrighty. Ooh. Whoa. Time to get some coffee on. I don't want to get up. But I guess I should get up. It was a little windy this morning. A little breezy. It's supposed to be 70 something today. Alright. Let's get up. There's some bugs on the rainfly. Luckily I got the inner fly mesh. Alright. I'm rambling on here. I need some coffee. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Making some coffee. Fishing out there. A little breezy. Feels nice. Luckily, I'll have a side wind. Heading back to the car. But just making some coffee now. And got the thermos valves. Mosquitoes are definitely out. Well, coffee is very hot. There's a boater right there, fishing. Beautiful though, huh? Let's go over here. Now I just have to finish my coffee, pack everything up, and go. I'm gonna finish my coffee, do my normal routine, and pack everything up. So I'll bring you back when everything's packed up. It's gonna take a while. There's nothing better than having a nice cup of coffee in the morning by the lake. I like this site. I'll see you then. Cheers. Morning, everybody. Well, everybody, everything's packed up. This was a great trip. I absolutely loved it. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna get home late because I just relaxed today. It's mid-afternoon. Some people fishing, and I just have to put the kayak into the water, get into it, paddle back to the car. Probably, I don't know, 20 minutes, give or take. Maybe more. I'm just gonna take my time. And that's great. That's it. That's great. I loved it. That's all, folks. So I'm just relaxing for a couple minutes before I paddle all the way back to the car. Yeah, some boats. I'll stay close to the shoreline, but this kayak's great even in choppy water. So thanks for joining me on Simple Outdoors, everybody. So I love everybody. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, notification bell, hype, all that good stuff. I don't know. I don't know when I'll be able to get out again. You know, work, house stuff, car stuff, pet stuff. But it was great. I hope you enjoyed it. Caught a few fish yesterday, the day before. I don't want to leave. I love all of you. Thanks for joining me on Simple Outdoors. Join me on the next one. I'll see you then. Bye, everybody.
Bad news came to me in one word. Don't listen to anything you heard. And everybody who has ended is gonna shout to you and say, I'm in love with you. No one could ever be my friend. They use me and abuse me until the end. And if I can recall your name, I know it's more than a simple game. I'm in love with you. Can't sleep, can't stay away. Can't